How to combine two websites in one in Wix. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can combine two websites in one in Wix. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Wix, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Wix, it is a cloud-based website development platform that allows users to create professional, quality websites without the need for coding knowledge, in which it also offers a user-friendly drag-and-drop interface, making it accessible for beginners while still providing advanced features for more experienced users. In which Wix also provides a wide range of customizable templates suited for different industries including business, e-commerce, blogs, and portfolios. And now to create an account, just click the link in the description, or you could also click the Get Started button on the top right corner, where you need to simply sign in your account on Wix. After signing in, you will be directed on this page. And now to start combining the two websites in one in Wix, all you need to do from here is to make sure that the website that you are going to combine has the same Wix editor and not Wix Studio in here. Since you cannot combine two websites if one website in that has been built with Wix Studio. So now to proceed, the first thing that you need to do from here is simply click the edit site button on the specific website you want to combine. And after that, you will be directed on the Wix editor. And after going to this editing mode on the first website, we're now going to do or to go to the edit site section on the second site, which is for example this one. So now after opening the two sites you want to combine, all you need to do from here to start is to simply open a page or create a new one, for example by clicking this add or pages and menu section on the left side panel in here. Under site menu, you can simply click add new page, and after that from here just simply select what kind of page you want to add. For example, we're going to add here this one, which is the services in here. By clicking this add page button, it will automatically add here a page, so all you need to do is wait for it to load. And this is basically the page, for example, that we're going to combine on the other website. So now from here, as you can see, we've now entered here or created a new page. We're going to name it About Us. After proceeding naming it, all you need to do from here is to simply start copying these pages and simply transferring it or pasting on the other website. So to do that, just simply go back in our pages and menu section in here on the left side panel and click these three dots until you find here the section or option copy. Upon copying it, just simply go back in this next website you want to combine and go to the pages menu section once again and right click to any of this one. Then simply proceed by clicking paste. Or you could also click the paste and apply site theme if you want to. However, by clicking only the paste, it will only apply all of the contents. Since as you can see in here, it will show you that all of the contents in here have been transferred. But if you also wish to transfer the themes included, all you need to do from here is to simply, for example, delete this one and simply do the same process of entering or pasting in here. So just simply right click to any of the pages in here once again, and after that it will show you the option to paste and apply site theme. By clicking on it, it will automatically show us that not only the content but also the theme in here has been applied. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. And now if we're going to go back in here, this is basically what it looks like, which is the theme also applied in here. So basically, in combining two pages on the website, we can simply add or copy and paste some of the pages in here in us that you want to combine of the two websites. For example, in here, we can simply go to our pages section, and for example, on this website, we have here a great homepage that you want to copy and paste to the other website or combine it. And now to start doing it, all you need to do from here is to simply do the same process by simply clicking these three dots right here and click the copy option. Then go back to the other website we want to combine and go to the pages and menu section. And from here, just simply delete the already menu pages in here and click delete button, since we're going to add the homepage of the other website we want to combine. So just simply do the same process of right clicking and click the paste button in here. And after that, it will show you in here that this homepage has added. We can rename this by clicking on it, and here I'm going to enter only home. So basically, that is just simple how we can start combining any of the pages and menu of the two websites we want to combine to one. So if you want to copy the other pages or About Us section of the other website, you can do the same process, simply copying and pasting to the other website in here. And overall, combining two websites into one in Wix helps streamline operations, boost online presence, and create a more cohesive digital experience. So overall, that is just basically how to combine two websites in one in Wix. Thank you.